Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Today I have a fun project share for you. This is a folio album in a box, and this is a design from Rosa Kelly of Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. If you'd like to learn how to make the base of this folio in box, I'll link her tutorial in the description box down below. For my project today, I've used this beautiful Carta Bella paper collection. It's called En Vogue, and it's by Steven Duncan, and I absolutely love it. I love the colors, I love the imagery, I just love everything about it, and I used almost an entire paper pack for my project, so this is a backup that I have for future projects. This entire box and album is constructed out of 110-pound cardstock. I used the Recollections brand from Michaels. And to embellish, I used flowers from several different companies. Up in the corner here is a Prima flower from this Royal Menagerie collection. This one down here is from Jolie's Boutique, and I did pick this up at Tuesday morning. And then the black one down here is from Petaloo, the Textured Elements collection. I originally picked these up thinking of Halloween crafting, but I just thought this one especially was so elegant, and I just thought it tied in nicely with the papers. For the focal point of my box, I used a cut apart from the collection. I did embellish it with a little rhinestone right here at the end of her necklace, and I used some glossy accents to highlight her earring and her button. This gold frame is a die from my stash, and I just cut some strips from the paper collection to act as borders. I backed pretty much everything with this gold foil cardstock. It's Recollections brand from Michaels. Here's the spine. And the back has these lovely handbag papers. This box measures 6 1/8 by 8 3/4, and it's a matchbook style, so it slides open like this to reveal the folio within. Now for the folio, I tried to make it complement the cover of the box without competing with it, and I think that these tie together nicely. Let's set this aside so that we can focus on the folio. As I remove the folio, you'll see that I also decorated the inside of the bottom of the box. I just used some ivory 65-pound weight cardstock from my stash, leaving a black border around all the edges, which I think looks very elegant. These are just a couple stickers from the collection. The folio measures 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, and it has a 1/2-inch spine. This is a cut apart from the collection, and I think she is just so elegant, especially adorned with those beautiful Petaloo flowers, and this one from Jolie's Boutique. I used more of that ivory and pink paper from the collection to create this border to help to tie it in with the cover of the box, and also used the gold foil cardstock from Recollections to mat everything to kind of make it pop. This has a hidden magnetic closure. And as we open it up, right away you'll notice this really sparkly, glittery rose gold ribbon, and that's from Hobby Lobby. We'll start over here. This is a cut apart from the collection, which I've decorated with a little bit of bling and backed on the gold foil cardstock. This also has a hidden magnetic closure, and it flips up. And up here we have a sticker that says Paris from the collection, a little bit more bling to dot the I. And it also flips down. And these upper and lower sections are 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. So the perfect spot to put your 4x4 photos and still have a nice border of decorative paper. This area is 4 3/4 by 8 1/4, so that's a great place to put a 4x6 photo and still have room for left for journaling. In the center portion, we have all of these really nice 4 3/4 by 8 1/4 spaces for photos. Now you can either do 2 4x4s or, like I said, a 4x6 in a portrait orientation. And this opens like that. It's also magnetized. And I just think this paper is so fun. I love the colorway of this collection. Keeps opening. Opens again. And then one more time, and this is the very back, which is just a little bit larger area for photos. That one is 5 1/8 by 8 1/4. So very simple designed folio, but easy to work with when you want to fill it up. And I just love it. I've made several of this base design and just decorating them with different papers and embellishments. They look so different every time. It's really one of my favorites to work with. And this just goes back into the bottom of the box, which then slides into the top. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!